GM. What's good, everyone? It's your boy Meta, founder of DeFi District. Today, we're going to be talking about Realis. The cool thing about Realis is that we've been working on this for almost a year now. We did a bunch of reiterations. We did a bunch of different wireframes. We've tested it out a few times. Wasn't really happy about the user interface or the user experience, I should say. It was kind of more of building the foundation and figuring out exactly how we can create something sustainable. Now, going into it now, we've revisited our code and been able to really bring on a team that can give us our first beta version that will be something that we're excited about, something that I think that the entire Solana space and crypto space could be excited about as well. And it's all about just rolling out Realis version 1, right? So now what is Realis? Okay. Realis is a product that's positioned in a multi-trillion-dollar industry called real estate. It is a decentralized marketplace where you could buy, sell, or rent real estate on chain. You could use any cryptocurrency anywhere in the world, right? So what we're doing here is eliminating a lot of friction from international, I should say, procedures of buying and selling homes, right? If you're in Australia, how do you go and buy a home in America without all of this paperwork, without all of this friction, without having to wait for mortgages and escrows and everything to pass through, right? So that's what we wanted to figure out is for us, how do we create something that was powerful? How do we create something that can be utilized worldwide? And how can we create something that it actually everyone can understand, right? So two things and two components to Realis is one component is that you are buying and selling real estate, okay? The other component is renting real estate. So if I were to put two companies that most people are familiar with into one, it's Zillow meets Airbnb, right, on the blockchain. So for us, our goal was to, okay, let's take what we're familiar with already, real estate. Let's take what we're super familiar with and have a profession in, right, short-term, mid-term rentals and vacation rentals. And how can we utilize a platform and build a platform based on our experience in the rental industry, in the real estate industry, right? What are the frictions? What can be a better solution for people within this industry to utilize something on chain? And that's exactly why we built Realis. With all of our 82 properties already on Airbnb today, we're generating around $2.2 million a year with 82 properties. Now, Airbnb on that 2.2 million, they take around 17% of that, right? So if you really do the math, they made well over, 200 grand, I should say, well over 200 grand on just our own rental fees, right, from all of our properties. So imagine if we created a platform that cut those fees in half, right, and allowed others to eat the benefit or eat those fees up and create a more decentralized place where you could earn for hosting your property on an app, right? And that's exactly why we went and we built out Realis's rental side, is that we already have rentals, you guys. We have 24 under district, DeFi district, and about 82 within our management ecosystem that we can onboard onto Realis, which will then allow holders to use Love to book vacant days. Now, what is so cool about Realis for district labs or holders within the DeFi district ecosystem? Well, one main thing is that in order to use Love to book our properties essentially for free in Love, right, you're going to have to hold an NFT within our ecosystem. So you can't just go like, oh my gosh, I'm going to go buy Love on the ecosystem and then just go book these vacant stays in Thailand or in California or whatever. You actually have to hold a district lab NFT or an NFT within the DeFi district ecosystem, right? And then use your Love. Once you log in to Realis, you'll use your Love on your wallet to be able to book these stays. That's the fun part about it, and why Love is so undervalued today is that Realis is going to look to launch and release by our anniversary. So there's some alpha. If you do and look up when Curse Labs, our original collection, minted out in March, our goal is to ship out Realis and allow people to book and create their profiles and book vacation stays within the next few months. Okay, now how do we benefit and how does Realis make money? And why is it such a cool thing for us? Well, we make money in two ways. We make money on service fees from selling homes, right? And through renting homes. So when you are a guest and you are booking a home, we charge you a service fee for booking the home. If you are a host and you are renting your home, we charge you for renting your home. Now, if you're selling your home, we have a law firm in California that is geared up and set up to sell homes in California, and we're opening up and partnering with law firms all across the country per state. Now, internationally, it's a little different. When you're looking to buy and or sell a home, we will partner you up with our real estate law firm, which will then help you actually do the entire system, almost automated for you, from the buying, the selling, the transfer of the deed, right, to making sure that all the lenders were covered. So we basically have a law firm that is partnered with us to help expedite and create a smooth system, right, that will allow you to buy and sell your home. Now, soon it will be on the app as well. The actual formula to fill out your property, put it on there as is, whatever the case may be. You could literally auction, you could sell, you could list your property on Realis, right? And there's just a few verification tools that we do to verify that it's your property and that and we KYC on who you are. So ultimately, right now, you guys have to understand that this product is one of the most actual attractive products within the Solana space. It's not a lending protocol, you guys. It's not some other staking protocol. It's not another NFT marketplace. This is an actual product and protocol that's going to be able to be used, right, worldwide, because people are already doing this today. People are already renting vacation homes, and people are already buying property online. So how can we solve an issue, right? A friction issue, and create something that is seamless for all of us to get a part of, right? So that's basically what it is on Realis, you guys. I don't want to talk too much and get too crazy in depth. We will be following up and sharing more about Realis as we go, as we grow. But we just really wanted to drop this in and give you guys a heads up that the product is shipping. Love will be able to be used to book vacation rentals on our app, and I'm very excited for our holders to get to utilize that utility. So once again, you guys, this is Mornings with Meta. This was a coverage on Realis and exactly just what Realis is about to do, and our first phase, which is literally putting up our own units to be able to be booked in Love when they're available. Next phase is to scale it and allow other people to put on their properties. And then from there, you guys, it's full blown acquisition of just like getting the market to utilize. If we even get 1% of Airbnb's market, you guys, that is multiple millions of dollars that could be used to create more value within our ecosystem here. So that is it, you guys. My name is Meta, founder of DeFi District. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day and week. I'm excited for you guys to see all the things that are coming out to ship. And this was our coverage on Realis. Peace.